Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen for another budget recipe. This time it's red beans and rice. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing red beans and rice. You want to get your pan on medium heat. The way I check it is about that hot. Now, I already have my rice cooked. I just got the boil-in bag from Walmart, put 2 bags over there. And I know traditionally people use white rice. I just prefer brown rice. Get yourself some olive oil. About a tablespoon of that. Throw that in there. Now I'll cut up some onions. Throw those in there. Now this is just white onion. You can use whatever kind of onions you want. Sweet, yellow, Walla Walla, candy onions, whatever you want. Now you kind of want to brown these up. Nothing real crazy. Now if you notice, I have them chopped up different sizes. Some are long, some are short, some are square. I just like a variety, to be honest with you. Okay, we're going to turn our heat down to about medium, low, medium, somewhere in there. You just want your heat up like that to get your onions nice and brown. Okay, I got some peppers. Now these are banana peppers. My neighbors had a garden and they were kind enough to give me some banana peppers. You can use green peppers, whatever you want. Throw these in. Now, what we're doing with the peppers is we're kind of let them shrink down. It's the best way I can describe it. It's just something you'll see, you'll see it. Unless you don't want them cooked as much, don't cook them as much. Okay, our peppers are pretty well cooked. Next up is some ham. I just got one of these little hams you get at Walmart. They're already pre-cooked. I chopped it up. There's some ham in there. Give Blue Dog some, of course. Blue Dog, you want some ham? Go ahead, stir this up. Oops, throw that back in there like that. Now you want to make sure you do this in this order because like my onions are getting more brown, my potatoes are getting a little more cooked. Not my potatoes, my peppers are getting a little more cooked. And you just throw everything in at once, it won't come out the same, trust me. Now, we're going to turn the heat down to low. We're going to add our red beans. Now, I did drain those beans, by the way. And that was a 15.5 ounce can. Next up is some tomato paste. I usually get the store brand, but they were out of it, so they substituted it with this brand. And this is 6 ounces. Get that good stirred in there. Okay, we're going to take some sriracha. Yeah, if you don't like sriracha, don't add it. A little bit of sriracha. Some garlic powder. Stir that up. Now right now, this is just a little too thick for my liking. It's a lot better. It's a lot better if you have chicken stock or something, but I don't have it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Now, the reason I drained the beans was because if you don't, you get like a, I'm gonna say overbearing salty taste. At least in my opinion, it's overbearing. Maybe just a little bit more water. Mix it up. Yeah, you can see the consistency now. Go ahead, turn this off. Go ahead, grab yourself a bag of rice. Okay, right there's about half a bag of rice, give or take. Take this. And there you go. Okay, it's not too bad. It's quick and simple, not too expensive. Now, do me a favor. If you try this and you like it, let me know. Give it a big thumbs up. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.